Today we're going to be changing out the headlights in a 1988 Lincoln LSC Mark VII.
Seriously, I just had it.
This car originally came with incandescent bulbs, and we're going to be switching over to LEDs that I got on Amazon because at night you just can't see a thing. So today we're going to do a quick how-to on how to change out these bulbs so that it can go from looking like this to this. Just so you're aware, if you decide to do this upgrade and switching from incandescents to LEDs, you're going to get a headlight out warning light inside your car. It'll look like this. The reason this happens is the LED bulbs draw less voltage than the incandescent ones do. And when that happens, the computer thinks that the lights are out because they're drawing less voltage. So the options you have are upgrade the lights, deal with the little warning light, which can be kind of annoying, or you can pull that bulb out, which I might do in a later video. The tools that you'll need for this project are a 90-degree pick or a stubby flathead screwdriver to get the clips off, your replacement bulbs, and your hands, and that's it. We're gonna start on the passenger side using a 90-degree pick, and we're gonna come underneath this portion of the clip and just pull up, and they pop right out. Once you get the electrical portion disconnected, use your hand tool and then rotate this plastic clip back and take it off. You can set that to the side, and then the light bulb should just gently wiggle out, or not so gently. Next, we're going to take our new LED bulb with the tab facing up, and we're going to insert it into the light bulb socket. And just gently snug it in there. Next, we'll take our plastic clip that has 3 different tabs on it, and we're going to insert it over top, lining up this top tab with this gap right here, and then we're going to rotate it clockwise to lock the bulb in place. Next, we reconnect our wire just by putting it in and clipping it back together. And then you repeat the process for the driver's side. The whole job will probably take you about 5 minutes. One thing of note, these older cars have a lot of jagged edges, like right here, and even these bolts sticking out. You'll just want to be really careful, especially on these fenders, because you'll gouge your fingers out pretty bad if you slip and mess up. The last thing I'm going to do is just tidy up the lenses because they're a little bit faded and milky. These are plastics, so I'm just going to use a little bit of 3M rubbing compound and some paper towels and just buff those out. It'll get rid of the haziness on the outside of the lens, which will help the light project a little bit easier through the plastic. Normally I would use a buffer on this, but it has these 3 little tabs that stick out, and I think that while it was rotating, it would get caught on the pad and it would just kind of make a mess of things. Plus, I can get into these areas a little bit easier by hand than I would be able to with a buffer. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content, and we'll see you in the next one. You want to turn them on? Check out your new lights?
What's that sound?
The bulbs have fans internally to keep the bulbs cool.
It sounds like a jet engine.
Mark VII, you're cleared for takeoff.
You're in this garage too much.